I'll guide you through how to activate the new XChat end-to-end encryption features without dealing with confusing settings menus. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Update your X app to the latest version or use the web at x.com. When done updating, open the X app and go to the three-line menu on the left sidebar. Tap the chat envelope icon to access the chat interface. If it's your first time using X's encrypted chats, it will trigger the activation prompt and prompt you to register. Enter a secure 4-digit PIN that stays on your device and protects your encryption keys. If it's not your first time, tap Setup Chats and create your 4-digit PIN. Confirm the PIN to finalize the key setup. Next, let's set up the one-time encryption. Still within the Chat tab, follow the on-screen prompts to create a unique key pair. Enter your PIN when asked to secure your private key on X's servers. You can use XChat on multiple devices. Just log in and enter your PIN to sync and decrypt chats. If you forget your PIN, reset it from another device, or you may lose access to old chats. You must enter the 4-digit PIN whenever you switch to the Chat tab to authenticate your private key because XChat requires this security layer. If the constant PIN entry frustrates you, log out and log back in to temporarily reset the session data and bypass the recurring prompt. To start a new chat, go to the Chat tab and tap the Compose button, identified with a pencil or plus icon. Search for a user with the @username. Type your message, add images, files, links, or reactions. Everything gets encrypted before sending, and hit send. If it's a new contact, it may go to their message requests until they accept. You may notice the lock icon at the top of the conversation thread, which confirms the end-to-end encryption, guaranteeing message privacy. To share files of any size or type, tap the attachment icon, which bypasses the old DM limits to enable large file transfers. To initiate one-on-one audio calls without a phone number, use the phone or video icon, which also encrypts calls because the new stack supports secure audio and video. For new encrypted group chats, you must create an entirely new thread. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more X and Grok AI video tutorials, and check the description below for advanced details. Thanks for watching.